12 Steps to a Reliable Leader. 1. Accept yourself as you are. The first step we need to take to become better individuals is to know, understand and accept ourselves as we are. 2. Setting goals for yourself. Setting goals will set us up to be better people and leaders. A good person and leader will always have a definite purpose for their life. 3. Be a good listener. Being a good listener means reducing the number of conflicts that exist, and we have made our environment more comfortable than before. 4. Admit mistakes and dare to apologize. Apologizing is a sign that we are aware of our shortcomings as humans and shows our empathy for those who have been harmed by our mistakes. 5. Willing to forgive others and not holding revenge. Good leaders will keep themselves busy with things that are more useful for the success of the group, organization or company. They would waste no time harboring an extremely unpleasant grudge in their hearts. 6. Always be polite to others. Maintaining a polite attitude will shape us into a better and more pleasant person. There is no one who does not like to be friends or associate with polite people, because everyone will like someone who is polite. 7. Respect yourself and others. Keep in mind that before we want to respect others, we need to respect ourselves first. Treat others with dignity, if we want to be treated well by others. 8. Take responsibility for the mistakes we make and accept all the facts that exist in life. Stop blaming others when things don't go the way we expect, and don't blame the mistakes we make on others. We need to be responsible for the mistakes we make, including managing the behavior, emotions and feelings of disappointment we feel in unpleasant situations. 9. Recognizing golden opportunities to continue to grow and change for the better. Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone and try new opportunities that you haven't thought about before. Training ourselves to enter and learn into a new world will encourage us to keep trying to learn new things. 10. Maintain integrity with great strength. Integrity is the compass of life that will guide us in becoming what kind of person and how we will be in the future. A good person will definitely always maintain their integrity with great care. 11. Join a community of positive influences. Joining the community will make us more connected with others around us. We need to join in communities that have a positive influence on our lives. 12. Appreciate everything that happens in this life. No matter how bad life comes, it will soon end. No matter how good life we feel, it will not last long either. What we need to do is enjoy and appreciate everything that happens in our lives.